Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Mountain Park, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cooperton and northwestern Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.